Morning diggers, John here, Flintshire Digger. You join me again. We're back in mid Wales and it's about, about 9 in the morning now. Lovely day, overcast, nice, not too hot, just how we like it. And today we've got this to play with. Spin. There you go. There's Curly already started just up that bank there. So we've got this massive field here. This apparently was an old house or building that was situated round there, so I'm going to start there. Curly's just having a look up the top there, and we'll see what we can get up. Hopefully some nice stuff, you know, maybe a few coins. If not, and it turns out to be quiet, we'll move back down. There's more fields back down there. Yeah, so we got all day, there's no rush, and I'll see you at the first. Back in again once again, diggers. So let's get me detector. Wow, I've been going about 30 minutes now since I've done the intro, and absolutely nothing. I've just come across dodgy 40. Yeah, it's jumping everywhere. I think this might be iron, you know, or cack, but we'll dig it out, see what flavour it is, eh? So, but really struggling. I can't see us staying on here much longer. There's Curly's up over the bank there, and just went up, and he said he's just had bits of copper and bullets, a bullet casing, and that's it. It's very quiet, so I think we're gonna head back down, try another field. So well, we'll see. But I've just been around, if you can see there, that pile of rocks. I've just been all up and down here, and nothing where the site of the house was, so I don't know, but you know, this is the realities. Never been on somewhere before, you've got to check it out. Oh, that seems to have cleaned up. It's out anyway. But I'm thinking either bullet casing, I don't know. I don't think he had cattle up here this far, like years ago, but anyway, let's have a look. Oh, where are we? Let's see what. Let's angle you up a touch. That's it. Oh, it's in there. This little lump here. Yeah, and it is tiny little bit of copper, 2 little bits of copper. That bit's probably broke off. I'll separate the dirt and the grass. Yeah, not what we want, but oh well, we'll crack on. See you on the next. Again, diggers, similar type of signal here, just marked it with the shovel. That's it. So you can see that. 30, 31, a little bit clipped, bit you know, not very strong, but beggars can't be choosers on here, I'm afraid. So we'll get it out, and we'll see what flavour it is. I'm thinking same as last time, a little bit of copper, but we shall see. Lovely day today, a little bit of a breeze. Hope it's not picking up the wind too much on the phone. Shouldn't be too bad. It's the horsefly around my face. They're starting already. Can't see anything obvious. Right, let's have a look. And the clod again. Right. Right. Yeah, I think we're going to struggle to find anything decent on this field. Very, very quiet. Not even a lot of iron tones really. Just angle you up a bit there. Right. Right. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah. Split that a minute. Oh, that's it. Let's have a look. There we go, diggers. Oh, what's this? What's that? Oh, that looks angle you down. Looks like it's got parts of something. It's not very heavy. I don't think it's bronze. I think it's copper. But yeah, not what we want. But at least it's not moo tubes and trash. So yeah, we'll see it on the next. Back in again, diggers. About 2 minutes after the last one. Just move that. 50, 49, 50. Very clippy. But just mark that up. Yeah, got to take them out, you know. Got to take them out. Oh, that's it. Yeah. Oh. Oh. But yeah. Hoping for something decent. Oh. Come on, out you get. Can't see anything. So, straighten that up. Oh, well, it's out anyway. That in there. That down. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. That's it. Oh. Sort of straight on it there. Just get me let's get the trowel out. Try and break it up a touch. That's it, breaking it up. in this bit anyway. What's that? What is that? Yeah. Don't know what that is. Looks like another bit of copper. I don't know, but not what we want. See you on the next. Again, diggers. Well, we've changed fields. This is another brand new field. That other one, I think we were wasting our time again, like the plough field a couple of weeks ago. So we said, right, we'll come down. So we come down about 600-700 yards. There's like a shed and another field next to it that we haven't even done. There's that much land here, spoilt really. Anyway, come to this new field. Got this target here, so we'll have a look. 35, 34, 35, and we'll have that out. Just take my detector off and see what flavour it is. Because yeah, literally we must have been on that top piece for, I don't know, over an hour and nothing. So I got in the car, drove up to where Curly was by. I said, come on mate, let's try and find another field with some targets, because otherwise we'll have no content for you, would we? And that's not good. Oh, can you believe it? Can you believe it? Middle of nowhere. Put that in. That it was a good signal. Oh, it's reaching. Well, showing some age. It's an oud style ring pull, but cack, not what we want. So see you in the next. Back in, diggers. I've just found this one. Just put my detector down now. But, yeah, this was a 17. So quite low for the Knox 700. But I've seen on other YouTube videos, people have had hammers on 17s, you know, small ones. But we'll see. Big rock under here or something. Yeah. So we shall see. We'll have it out. Yeah, can't see anything. Can't see anything obvious on that one. Oh. Right, oh, bigs. That's better. Yeah, Keely's bin. Well, he's just there in the distance if you can see him. But he's been all the way around the edge of the field, and he said nothing. So looks like we're on another quiet one, but that's the thing, see, for these quiet fields, you're going along, nothing, and bang, you know, you get a signal. But well, if not, we can always move and try another field, or go back over. It's dropped now. No, yeah, it's dropped. Well, 17 in the hole. It's dropped to a 14 now. So yeah, we shall have a look. Oh, just angle it up a tad, as you can see. that? Clear the muck off it. Oh. Yeah. Just another little bit of copper diggers. Not what we want, but you got to dig the low ones. Anyway, see you on the next. Alright diggers, back in again. Got I think it was a 38 here. I'm halfway through digging the clod, like, quite long by here. He has cut it, but I think he's just topped it. So, we'll have that out. Can't see anything. Find out if it's out or in. But, when it's out, that's alright, that's positive. Oh. Right, let's see what flavour it is, eh? Sweet coin flavour would be nice, but no, I don't know what a 38. Just I'm going to use a touch there. Nope, not picking that up. No. No, wasn't on the rim of the hole. Right. Spade out. Split it open a bit. Oh, Jesus. That's tough. That's it. See if that does anything. Let's have a look. Surely it can't be that. There's nothing there. Let me point it. No, can't be that. What's going on here? Has it popped out? Oh, what's that? It's that? Yeah, that's the one. It is this. I'll show you now. Tiny thing with a hole through. Don't know what that could possibly be, but it looks old. But yeah, we'll take it. It's a find of some sort, some artifact of something long since gone. Anyway, we'll carry on. See you on the next. Back in again here now. This one was 42, quite shallow. So we'll just take the top off it. God knows. But at least I'm getting a couple of signals up this top part of the field. It goes up like a steep bank. I can't see anything, diggers. But we'll double check now. Well, it was almost giving like a double blip, so I'm imagining it's in the clod. Let's move that to the side. Oh God. Nope, still in. It's gone a bit thingy. It was a nice signal, but it's dropped a bit now. Let's get down this side. Put that down. Come on. Out we come. Right. See if we're out. Oh, so hard to tell with a jumpy signal like this. I think this is cack. We'll confirm this now with the pinpointer. This could be iron again when it does this. We'll just check the spoil. Nope. There you go. That's iron. Right, we're leaving that one, diggers. It's in the hole there. That's iron. We'll leave that. Don't want that at all. I thought, you know, when I took the clod off, you can always tell. That's your thing. If you've got an Equinox and you get a signal like that, and it was quite a loud signal, that's usually an indicator as well. But when you take the clod off, the signal should improve. But that didn't. It went worse. It went down to a one-way signal, and that's why I got the pointer in there. And it just proves iron, you know, because it just went to a one-way signal, and not what we want. So waste of time digging that. Anyway, on to the next. All right, diggers, back in again. Well, that new field we went on, we spent another hour and a half on it. Absolutely nothing. So we come back to an area where Curly had the William III and the cartwheel, and I've just got a banger here. 60, 70, 68, 70. So we're digging that out, see what flavour it is. Hopefully something good, because the pair of us have had absolutely nothing. No coins, nothing, just cack. Oh, Curly's had a live bullet. Yeah, so I'm hoping this is somewhat half decent. Could be cack, but that's the name of the game. What's that? Oh, is it what I think it is? Let's lift it up. There we go. Be gentle with it, be gentle. That. Oh, here we go. Looks like a shoe buckle. Yeah. A bit of age to that. I'd say definitely 1700s. Yeah, shoe buckle. Oh, made up with that. At least I've got to find. Hey, at last, diggers, something decent to show you. Nice bind. Nice one. Right, hopefully find some more good stuff. Catch you in a bit on the next. Again, diggers. Back in again. Literally, next target, the shoe buckle was like there. This is here. So this was, what was it? 52, 54, this. So I don't know. Not expecting great things. Really, it's been a really tough day. Yeah, it's good to see Soil Surfers. I just checked in on Facebook before. Loads of stuff coming up there. But you know, you make your choice, don't you? It's like, right, get to Carno and stuff, because but there you go. Well done to all the finders. Some nice stuff come up on there. Oh, right. Let's check this. Yeah, it's still a bit jumpy. But we'll have a look. Right. Try and find it. Keep forgetting to angle you up as I lean forward. That's better. Right. Digging tool out. We're going to split it all up. And we'll have a look. Up there. No, nothing there. I see summit. That's again, diggers. I managed to click the thing off. Right, see if I can just reel out that. I don't know what that is. It's quite heavy, it's bronze, so I'll go with part of a buckle or something. Yeah. Oh, there you are. Anyway, on to the next. Diggers, back in now. Forgot to show you this. Forgot to film the hole, but here we got a coin ball. Yeah, can't see anything, so let's angle that up a bit and break it up. Bloody hell, tight that. Giving off a 32. Bit here. Oh, what's that? Bloody hell! It's a tiny little button. Hey, oh well, signs of life. I'll take that. Don't mind finding buttons. Right, on to the next. Right, back in again, diggers. Just got a 28, 27, 28, 26. Bit jumpy, but we'll get that out, see what flavour it is. Because they're cracking numbers. They're medieval numbers, as we say. Chance to be a fine thing. It's been a few months since I've had hammered, but never say never. But yeah, I think it's about 2 months since I've had silver now, but that's just the way it goes. I seem to go on a run. Oh, that was tough. And I seem to go on a run and I find it for you know, to 2-3 sessions, and then it'll come to an end again. Right, well, we're in the hole, can't see anything. Can't see anything at all. Get the detector. Have a look. Yeah, definitely out. Yeah. Seems to have jumped up to 30-32 now it's out. Yeah. But let's have a gander. A goosey gander. Around the edge. Oh, well, we're on. Let's have a dig with the up hunting. Hang on, dig it. You just can't see, can you? So put you there. Can't see anything. Just get the tool just slightly behind it. Rise it up. Oh. Whatever that is. No, just a little piece of lead. Oh well. It's lead, more lead for the lead bucket. Right, on to the next. Back in again, diggers. I'm in the car. Just caught up with Curly. He's right down the bottom here now. He's just showing me what he's had. He's had a couple of coins. Musket ball. A thimble. Oh yeah, that's not bad. I'll tell you what, I'm glad we moved off them top fields. They were quiet. But yeah, not bad at all that. Yeah. Aye, and just up that bank there's where he had that George III. Up there, so yeah. Anyway, we'll see you on the next. Hello diggers, John here, Flintshire Digger. Back home after the dig. Absolutely knackered. Me and Curly must have walked miles. We were trying to work out how many steps we would have walked. Must have been a good 3,000-4,000 easy. Bit disappointing with them fields. They were new fields, but they are quite high up on the tops, and there's not much activity on. But we done the field further up, the very top field, and Curly had them coins a few weeks ago. But that's just the way it goes. You've got to recce these fields, so we were doing about an hour to an hour and a half walking round them. Curly was walking around the edge of the field. I was sort of zigzagging across, trying to find a sweet spot or any signs of life. But that's just the way it goes. It's a new permission, and then fields have got to be checked out. I'm quite sure somewhere on that field, there's a bit of silver or there's some coins somewhere, but they're massive, massive fields. They're gonna, you could spend all day easily just on one field. But obviously, I said to Curl, we'll have to. We checked out the first field, with the stones and where the house used to be. That was so quiet. Then we moved down to the second field. We checked that out. That was just as quiet. A few more signals, but that was it. And then we moved back to that area where you had the William III a few weeks ago, and the George III, and it paid off. There's a bit more activity still there. Which we'd missed. and stuff, because, you know, obviously we didn't grid it, but we gridded that a bit and it paid off. I got that nice shoe buckle, and Curly got a few coins, musket ball. One of the coins turned out to be a George I, so that's tidy, showing a good bit of age. And that was about it. I mean, by the time we got there, we got started, it was about 9 o'clock, and we left at 3:30, so we had like 6.5 hours at it, you know, traipsing around, trying to find signals, you know, to get some content for you guys. And just on that, you guys, thank you for the subscribers, new subscribers. Thank you for that. Big cheers for that. And all the likes and the comments, keep it coming. It's all good stuff, you know, it helps the channel grow. Obviously, you know, I've only just started. But yeah, it's going in the right direction. And I think the next time we go back down to Mid Wales, we're going to go right to the other side of the farm. We're going to have a go on a field where I've had a hammered coin off, Edward the first halfpenny. Curly had a lovely groat, Edward the third. He's also had half Scottish hammered, could be Alexander. And we had silver off there as well. I think Curly had a George III off there as well. One of the first times we went on there. So we're going to go back on there, but there's fields behind there, and we're going to check them because we haven't even got to them yet. So, yeah, so still absolutely tons to go at down there. So I hope you enjoyed it. And like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next one. So for now, Flinch Digger John, out.